All right, welcome to the end of the car. The end, you're going to turn this in right here. So we're also going to make this little animation here that will do this. Something like that. And then you're going to assemble it, and then we'll be good. The first thing I need you to do, change the color of your tire. I need it to be something other than black. It's very hard to see when you assemble. If you want to change it back afterwards, that's fine, but I hate that bell. But I need you to change the color. So if you don't remember how to do that, you go up here to this default thing up here, change it to whatever color you like. The lighter, the better. Don't do clear. Okay. So let me go ahead and change that. All right. Got that changed? You're good? Okay. Hopefully you know where all your stuff is located at. That's going to be a big deal here, because otherwise it's going to be really difficult. So here's how we're going to do this. File, New, and you're going to go standard mm.iam. Okay. This file right here is where you're going to work at right now. All right. So you got that done. So next is you're going to hit place. Okay. First thing I want you to do, find your car body. All right. Dump it on your screen. Do me a favor, if yours comes in weird, find a good orientation. I would highly recommend you pause for a minute, look at what I'm doing on my screen, because this will help you out. You'll want to kind of click on this box up here at the top to where it says left front top, then click on the corner of it, not the side, but the corner. That way the car is at a nice like even angle. Okay. So next you got to hit place again. Let's go tire. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Get those in there next. Next thing I need you to do is place the axles. And go ahead and dump those somewhere over here. And then lastly, the retaining ring. And those go, they're really tiny, over here and over here. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get all those in there and get it set up and ready to go, and we can get through this. You ready to go? All right. So I found a really easy way of doing this that will save us all a little bit of stress and anxiety on this. Okay? If you hit on the constrain button, there's this thing that says insert. We're going to heavily use this right now. Okay? You don't need to click these options. It'll be just fine. Here's what you do. You have to click near the top of this part of the tire where it's where the axle meets at. Okay? You're going to click here to where you see that arrow going in. Then I need you to click on the end of the other one, and if you press it, pop on, choose apply, and now you're good. Now do me one favor real quick. I should have done this first, but it's not a big deal. Click on your car real quick, right click, and ground it. Okay? Because we need this to stay put. Now, you try to move your wheel, you'll see it goes round and round, like the wheels on the bus. So let's do that again. That wasn't too bad. Press constrain. Hit insert. You're going to choose the top of this tire right here, and you're going to choose wherever you get this little center line and a little dot in front. Click that, choose apply. Now, highly recommend shifting your screen around. So I'm going to choose this corner here just so I can see stuff. You'll quickly notice that your parts are not where they're located at. That's because you're dealing in 3D. So things are not always what they seem. Okay? We're going to do it again. Hit constrain. Choose insert. Choose this. Make sure you hit the dot and the arrow. And then you do it again. Choose apply. One more time. And then choose this. Choose this. Make it match up. Choose apply. Now, you should be able to spin all of your wheels. Cool, huh? All right. Last step is, or actually there's 2 steps. There's retaining rings, and then there's this. We'll see how well those go. Hit constrain. We're going to do another insert. This is going to be really simple. Click towards the head. I want to make sure that the inside head right here is chosen. Okay? Then, try to click on the inside of the tire, press apply, and now it's in there. Same thing on this one. Choose kind of towards the head. With the shift and scroll, choose inside the tire, press apply. Done. Now you see here you have your little retaining ring right there where it needs to go into that. It's a minor thing at best. Try to get this if you can. If you can't, don't worry about it. Press constrain, insert. I'm going to click on the retaining ring, sort of click on the inside of the tire, press it, press apply. That was really easy. Do it again. I'm going to choose this right. I'm going to choose insert. Choose on the edge of it. There we go. Go to my tire. Choose on the edge of this. Press apply. Good enough. As long as it's on there somewhere, it's okay. It's a little bit on the inside. All right, you are done. Your car is now together. Good job. Spin your wheels if you want to for a victory lap. You got this part finished. All right, save this, please. This is step 1. So save it as F1 car on your thing. I've already saved it once, so I'm good. Next, we're going to take it apart. Not the way you think. We're going to do what's called a presentation where you get to make a video. So here's how you do this. You're going to hit File again, and you're going to press New. At the bottom of your screen, you're going to choose a standard mm.ipn. When you open it, it automatically prompts you to go ahead and find your files. So let me see if I can remember where I put mine at. There it is. Here's my F1 car. Press OK. It's my other one with the yellow tires, but it's okay. I know it's this one. All right. So once again, get the angle set to where it's like this. Okay. There's only one tool you're going to use here, and that's called tweak. Here's how this works. You're going to click whatever object you want to. So I'm going to choose these 2 tires first. If you press shift, it'll do more than one. That's what I was doing. Grab the arrow, drag it out. I don't care how far. If you want a number, choose 60. Choose my other 2 wheels. Really should have made that tire a different color. It's fine. Drag that out there. Choose the axles. Drag that out there. If you notice I'm not even pressing OK or anything else, it's just dragging with me. Press check mark. Now we're good. Alrighty. Now watch this. If you press this little button right here, you'll get a cheap little animation for what you did. Boom, done. I know I'm not going to worry about the retaining rings. That's a small thing at best. But if you got this done, you're good. Okay, do me a quick favor. There's 2 things I want you to do now. Number 1 is click this new snapshot view. What this does is this creates a little bit of a picture up here. Okay? Now, if you want to, you can create a video now. Or if you want to call this F1 car, you actually can create a video of your animation. Once this thing gets unloaded. Maybe you can make a TikTok video out of this. I don't know. You do whatever you need to do. Okay. Now, if I go search for it, yes, now I'm thinking, where did I put this thing? There it is. Click that. And there's a cute little video of your car animation. Awesome, right? Yay. Not done yet. Almost there. Just a little bit more. Okay, before we move on, oops, sorry about that. We need to save it first before we do anything else, so make sure you do that. All you have to do is do a simple file save, and it should automatically prompt it to save to your drive. Keep the name the same. It saves things at a different extension. Mine's being difficult because I've already saved it once. And if this pops up, yes to all, press OK. All right. So next, we're going to do what's called a sheet. I need you to look where I'm at on my screen. I need you on this 3rd column down where it says drawing. I need the ANSI.IDW. The 2nd little icon going in. This screen will pop up. I will not ask you to change it. We're just going to keep this simple. All right, watch this. Choose base. And look, there's your car. Pretty as ever. In order to fully see it, though, I'm going to click this corner right here. I want to change my scale. So let's go 2:1 scale. There we go. That looks nice. You can move it by dragging this little box that goes around it. Also, you'll want to click on shaded, otherwise it goes to black and white or just clear color, which is wireframe. Press OK. Alrighty. Next, we're going to choose on Auto Balloon. Choose on the Annotate tab, and we're going to make some balloons. Not balloon animals, just regular old balloons. So click this. Click on the actual car itself, and you can just highlight everything if you wish. Okay? Choose Select Placement, dump those right there, and press OK. What this does is this creates a little bit of a assembly of what parts are used in this car. Next, choose Parts List. Click on the picture anywhere, press OK, dump it up here, and look at that. You have a parts list. 1 car body, 4 axles, or 4 tires, and 2 axles. And you're done. This is what I want you to turn in online. Once you get done with this, please save it, turn it in, and you are finished. Job well done to you. Hope this was enjoyable. Hope you all enjoyed this. Hope you learned something in the process. And please make sure that you upload this to Classroom if that's what we're currently doing right now. Who knows what this video will be seen again in the future, but please make sure that you turn this in. All right? I don't know if I said that once, but I'll say it again. All right? If I don't see you, I'll see you down the road. Bye.